It doesn't really matter if you've been working with Excel for a while or if you're a complete newcomer. Sometimes it's useful to review the basics and actually add them to your repertoire of every day. One of the classic things you need to do all the time in a spreadsheet is resize the columns to fit the content. And you're probably aware that the easiest way to do that is to move your mouse in between the two column headings. So it turns into the two-pronged arrow. Hold the mouse button and drag to resize. Now, while this is a useful way to do this, it can be time-consuming if you have lots of columns. And also, because you can't see how wide the content tends to become further down your table, it's not reliable. There's a simple way to do this. If you don't drag, but double-click on that little line between the two columns, then the column C will automatically be resized to the ideal width. The same applies if you select multiple columns and you click on any of the intermittent separators, all the columns will automatically be formatted correctly. If this is absolute news to you, or you have forgotten about it, why not sign up to my class, My First Spreadsheet, and learn all the basics that could save you a lot of time.